Gazeli onye ma na-ege m ntị n'ọnụ n'ụbọchị nke tata, udo dịrị gị. Biko ozi a bụ gbasara Ogechi Okeke Njaka na gọvanọ Eziokwu. Ịma na ihe na-esevuru ya na JPAC bụ maka na JPAC chọrọ ya okwu, mana ịbịa n'anya n'ihe ncha na-eme n'ifukwa na gọvanọ Eziokwu chọkwara ya okwu, o ji wee fesi gọvanọ Eziokwu were attack ya, because Ogechi bụ type ọ ga-abụ ọbịa n'ọlụ ọwịa, ma ọ bụ na ị chọghị ya ọma nchọ gị, ma ọ bụ na once ịchọtakwa ha n'alịa omegin uwe gwakwa gị okwu ote na man like ya. Biko achọrọ m ka ige ntị n'onu, ka ige ntị ọfụma n'ihe a gọvanọ Eziokwu nọ na-agụ, ifu that na ọ nọ na-akpọ Ogechi Okeke Njaka, ọ na-akpọ ya akwụnakwụna, ịghọta a lot of names ọkpọ ya. Mana nke kacha ewute bụ na after ihe nchọ ọkpọcha ya, now na Ogechi is now doing this thing, na akpọchikwu ya some names like for example Escon, wee bido wewe iwe. Now na asị gọvanọ Eziokwu kịta ya provide ya ma ya gosi evidence na Ogechi Okeke Njaka kịta agbago ashawo ọma mme, mana ọ nọ na-eti mkpu n'oge na-akpọ ya Escon. But this is the main reason o ji emegin, o ji wee na-abago ọgụ. Biko gegodi na ntị n'egwu a.
Akwụla Chicago le kenye gị si ya na o kenye gị dọla o ewo because of money because of money because of giveaway o kenye ha data o because of money Akwụla Chicago le kenye gị si ya na o kenye gị dọla o ewo because of money What people are doing, Kenya Oberoche, Ewo, because of money, Akwụla Chicago, Kenya gi dollar, Kenya gi oberego, Ewo, because of money, Kenya data, Kenya lonaka, Kenya ego, Ewo, because of money, So, who has Amachisom's number? Because I think I will submit the music. Instead of me to do that, who has Amachisom's phone number in a way? So that when I'm going to do that music, I want to come with Amachisom and I think her fiancé. They should be on the studio that I will pay. Then Amachisom, I will teach you this music. I will create the verses. You will sing it. Just Governor Eziokwu will back you. Then let your name be written on it. Then I will promote it for you here. Okay. So if anybody has Amachisom's phone number, or you can tell Amachisom, let it be woman to woman. That's how far I know I can go. So help me reach out to Amachisom. Meggy. I don't want to go crazy with you. I don't want to go crazy with you. I don't want to go crazy with you. Otherwise, Amachisom, you can sing. Everybody has good voice. You can sing. You can still sing. You can still sing. If not for our tomorrow. If not for tomorrow. The other day Uzambi, I will add you na the music. I put it about what on the internet. You need a friend rubbish. Deep at the same time. Now you got damage control. Now go. Okay, my fans. Those people who want me to do the song by myself. This one, Megia, you know I sing very well. Magic compose visible table. Buy an internet everywhere shake here. And the man on a studio beat na what your husband is passing through your hands. I may not necessarily call your name. You know when you want the music to trend, you get small ingredients of trouble. If from what's it called? This guy named Ararasmo Portable Okro with Bobrisky. If you can able she trend down how many days? Mbafelakro zombie. Ndami agapore abochi. You see the music went far. So if I do you this one, now so as the more you dey rant on internet, the more people go they stream the music live. They go they stream fans, because just 1 month can dismantle all this lady. Can dismantle all the other a cook no na Newi. It was Zambia. Please, my fans, if you guys will give me the little privilege to handle these people, I will put their image nationwide with pure truth. Make sure that they would be hot. Everybody. You know how many persons in America that will ask for it? So please fans, sometimes you go crazy with people a bit so they will know that thing they think they know, you know it better than them. Give me the permission. Don't see it as a childish something. Sometimes follow them in the same way. People are saying go ahead. I wish Amachisom, because Amachisom self, Amachisom got battalion very, very well. Amachisom, I will teach you the song, I'll back you on the studio, both the instrument and all that. I have 3-4 hours, all the verses, the verses, Goya, all of the pure. Amachisom, in a promote here on the internet. Come here, we will do it, volume 1 and volume 2. She's not a Zionite. She's not a Zionite. If anybody is associating her to Zion, and even in the music, thank you for reminding me. I will include it there that Zion should be very, very careful of this lady, because now they put Zion more problem. Okay, I will not forget. I think I can always watch this video. Zion should be very, very careful. They know no name fasting. Blah 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 blah. If my fasting, my fasting, the music will trend. Amachisom be available. Amachisom, even if I'm the only one that's going to sing it. You will only see we promote to quite hype or your work. Come on. I want Amachisom. Don't worry. Come boya nala. Come boya. Tombuloya. Waya kakede. If I present that music on the internet, or catch 1 million view, man. Mrochaya, Mrochaya that music. Ingredients, the metal chaya small video they add there. That music may be catching 2-3 million views. Okay, the title of the music will be, somebody, just one person should type me the title of the music. This one says Justice for Ugochi Okeke Njaka's husband. You can call Mirabel on the page to she can. Okay, between Mirabel and Mirabel, okay, this challenge must go on, this music must go on. Forget it, because I know what to do. I just remember something. So this music will go on between Mirabel and Amachisom. I want one of them, the contact, somebody, one of them should follow me to the studio. I will pay. People are saying go ahead. Now look at what will happen. Madakola Diabo, our brother. Dibe kam. Unyo mere ya dibe no wana didi kam. My brother Karabano uwebe pana. Ngana kuda wana sema zubongo. Then I will be advising him that our brother na video. Come ga wangu gifu. Ma kayo tale. So either Amachisom, those close to her should let her know, please. The music will work. Now, how are we going to take up this challenge to quench Onya completely? Everybody she has bullied before on the internet will make a video with that music and dance it. Utageshina dance here. I will present styles. Styles are the general. I will present different funny things. Some of it can mockery. Okay, I don't even mind if Amachisom and Mirabel will be available. Now, all those ladies from Chicago, from abroad, overseas, everywhere, she must have bullied before. The music will be sent to them raw. They will make a video with it, dance it, and send it to me back. I will post it on the internet. That will be my job for the next few months.